Hello guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we're going to solve the question 7 of the progression test style questions of stage 6. This one says, use one of the following digits to complete the statement correctly. So that means we need to use one of these cards to put the correct digit in this operation. We could do this subtraction here and then subtract the result to 7.8. So we are going to know this complete number. Let's solve that way first before I show you the other way. So you would do 6.5 minus 4.487. In this kind of subtractions, we need to complete with zeros, so we are going to be able to do the subtraction normally. 0 minus 7, we cannot do it, so we need to borrow from the neighbor. The neighbor is also 0, so we need to borrow from the next neighbor. So this one becomes a 4, this one becomes a 10, and after a 9, and this one becomes a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1, 4 minus 4 is 0, 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2.013. And then we do 7.8 minus 2.013. Again, we fill with zeros, so we can start the subtraction. 0 minus 3, cannot do it. We borrow from the next one and we borrow from the next one. 7, this is 10 and it becomes a 9. And this one becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. 7 minus 0 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. That's how we know that this number should be 8. But there's an easier way, guys. Let's erase here so we can find it in another way. So the secret is to check that, for example, when you have 10 minus 7, the result is 3. If you decrease this in 3, let's say, 10 minus 3 is 7, and 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 4 is also 3. If we subtract the same number from both numbers, the result is going to be constant. For example, 7 minus 2, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. And again, 5 minus 2 is 3. If we know that if we subtract a number from 7.8 to get the 6.5 is the same thing as subtracting from this number to get this one. The analysis might be a little bit more complicated, but the operations that you need to do are way easier. So you can just do 7.8 minus 6.5. 8 minus 5 is 3. The decimal point, 7 minus 6 is 1. 1.3. So that means you need to subtract also 1.3 from this one to get the second number, which means also that you can do 4.487 plus 1.3 in order to get the previous number, 787.5, 5.787. And that's how you also get the 8 that you were looking for. Actually, if you know this, what I was telling about subtracting the same number, you can check that these two digits should be the same two digits because these two numbers have just tenths. It doesn't include hundreds or thousands. Then this part of the hundreds and thousands is going to be the same. So checking at this 8 here, we will know that it should be the same 8 here. And that's how would you get the result. Okay guys, give me a like if it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe, book your own lessons with me, and let me any question you have about this or any other topic. Bye bye guys, see you next time.